If a partner asked you, what's the feedback we've had in the last week? What face would you pull? If you're like most of the people that responded to our research, it would be a bit of a wince because actually that data is in lots of different places. So you've got a survey tool perhaps, and that's great for capturing survey data, but different surveys, different parts of the system, you're going to have to download it. Transcripts are probably sitting in separate Word documents or maybe a PowerPoint summary. If you've got online reviews, they're probably in each individual review system. Then, of course, there's all the informal feedback that's probably sitting in CRMs or people's heads, people's notebooks. It's in lots of different places. And so before you can tell the story of what have clients told us this week, you've got to go to all of these different places, and then you've got to download the data, try and put it all together in Excel. I mean, what a waste of time. The alternative now is you use something called a client listening platform. And the advantage of a client listening platform is it's already connected to all of these different data sources. So you can still collect the voice of the client in all the different ways, the ways the clients want to share it, but it's automatically unifying your data. It's putting it all in one place. And therefore, rather than wasting time going around trying to beg and borrow and ask for different bits of data and export and then try and wrangle it and get it all together, it's all in one place. And therefore you can do the higher value add stuff. You can start doing the analysis. So not only what have clients told us this week, but here's the reason why that's important. Here's the so what. Here's what we're already doing about it. So tip for this week, how can you start to unify your data, pull it into one place so that you can then spend your time adding value, creating action, closing the loop, improving client experience?